Hello students, myself Sarabjit Kaur and I am taking your GK class in 5th standard. So page number 20, open your books, chapter 15, sweet or sour berries. The berries are the fleshy and juicy berries, those are the grown on the bushes and the herbs. Generally they are sweet and sour in the taste. So firstly we will discuss about the gooseberry. Gooseberry is a berry that contains magnesium, potassium and phosphorus and manganese, calcium, copper and all those major minerals. Second one is cranberry. Pictures are given on your books, you can see over there. So second one is cranberry. It is grown on the sandy fogs. Sandy fogs that are wet lands where there will be a partially water over there. Those are the sandy bogs. So cranberries are grown over there. The third one is red currant. Red currant, it is a berry that helps to looking youthful and feeling great and keeping healthy and nourished. That is a red currant. Next one is elderberry. Elderberry, it is a major antioxidant agent. Antioxidant, that means which helps to protect our cells. Those are the antioxidant. So it helps to protect our cells against the diseases, that is a elderberry. Next one is strawberry. So its outer layer is as a seed. So here is written it wears its seed on the outside, that is it is a strawberry. Next one is blueberry. Because of its color it is known as blueberry. Its color is bluish and it is a natural food. Next one is avocado. It is an addition a calorie reduced diet. Berberries, that is a cultivated for the ornaments. The last one berry is bearberry. It is used to herbal medicines. So the next one topic is also the herbal medicines. Herbal medicines are those which are produced on the herbs. These has the medicinal properties which we can use when we get sick and we feel low. The herbs are used for the different ailments. First one is, it is an all-powerful herb that lowers cholesterol, guards against cancer and helps fight weight loss. That is a green tea. Next one, it is an important herb for improving blood flow. The herbal medicine that is improves our blood flow and helps to improve our cuts and flaws. That is a turmeric. Third one is, it is most commonly used herb for treating wounds like turmeric. It is skin conditioning and fighting infection. That is a aloe vera. Fourth one, it is a bitter flavored herb that is an effective digestive aid. It helps in digestion. That is a fenugreek. Fifth one, it is an aromatic herb used to treat stomach ache and also used as flavoring in drinks. The herbal medicine that is used in the drinks, that is a mint for the flavors. It is herb used as a base for toothpaste and helps in treatment of malaria and fever. That is a neem. Seventh is, it is a herb contains omega-3 fatty those are the which prevent and maintain our heart from the diseases. Those are the omega-3, and it lowers our blood pressures. For heart strengthen and circulatory function, that is our flax seeds. Last one, it is wonderful herb that helps in treating high cholesterol and guards against severe cough and cold, that is a basil. Now the chapter number 17, endangered plant species. Endangered plant species, like our animals are extinct. So like those ones are plants, some are the plants, those are on the extinct. We have to save those ones. Those are known as endangered plant species. Here is some plants which we will discuss. Pictures are given on your books. First is, it is the largest flower in the world, Rafflesia. Second one, this plant is found in southeastern United States, that is a Georgia aster. Third one, it is found in a tiny part of Galapagos Islands, that is a Acalypha wiginesi. Fourth one, they are eaten by possums found in New Zealand. Those are the brush lilies. These are plants were rediscovered in China, that is a dawn redwood, because it looks like a time when there will be a dawn. This plant is found in volcanic islands of Hawaii, that is a silver swords. Seventh one, found in Japan, they are slow growing evergreens, that is a sago palm. They are the world's rarest cacti, that is Knowlton cacti. It is an insectivorous plant that eats insect. The plant that eat insects, that is a Venus flytraps. It grows only in fresh water of San Marcos River, that is Texas wild rice. So this is all about the chapter number 15, 16 and 17. If there will be any doubt, you can ask in the comment section box. Thanks and have a nice day.